Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to calculate hours worked in Excel. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Excel application, and then the next thing is, where can we find the Excel app? You can find the Excel app in Microsoft Store. So launch the Microsoft Store and search for Excel and follow through with the on-screen prompt to download the app. Once the app has been successfully downloaded, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Excel. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to calculate hours worked in Excel. I'm going to focus on this part of my sheet that has the day, start time, end time, and time worked. So I have the start time 1:30 p.m. and 2:30 p.m. and I want to calculate the time worked. What I have to do, number one, is to format the cell to time. And how do I format the cell to time? So I'm just going to have to click on this and drag down. I'm going to click and drag down the entire, because I'm focusing on this particular part of the work, and right click and click on format cells and head over to where I have the number category and click on time. And after clicking on time, I'll say I formatted to this timing, and I'm just going to click OK. So now that I have formatted this to time, I can now be able to calculate the hours worked in Excel. So I'm just going to de-highlight that. So head over to this category that says time worked, this end time, and this is time worked. So I put it in the cell so that I can calculate the one for Monday. So over here, I'm going to have to use the equal sign. So after using the equal sign, I'm going to use U. So this is U. That's the name of the cell. That's U3. It's going to be U3 minus. So use the minus T3. Okay, so that's it. Click on enter. Now it's 1 a.m. So that's it. So the start time and the end time. So the time worked, like literally worked for 1 hour, just letting you know that this particular person worked for 1 hour. So this is like 1 a.m. So 1:30, 2:30, 1 a.m. That's the time worked. So the next is that's from 1 to, of course we know from 1 to 2, that's 1 hour. The next is the Tuesday, that's 7 a.m., 9 a.m. So let's go ahead and calculate the time works. Now, instead of me to use the same formula, like enter the formula manually, the equals, and then the name of the cell, I can just drag down. So just in case you have large data and you want to just calculate yourself, working yourself up by doing that manually. So just head over to the bottom right corner of the first one and just drag down and just leave it. I want to leave it. That's just it. It's going to be applied. So as you can see, this is 2 hours. So this person started at 7 and ended at 9. It means the person worked for 2 hours. So that's pretty much how you can calculate hours worked in Excel. You can go by the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.